Yo, it's Hugo back with another video. Definitely want to tap in with y'all for the week. Per request in my chat, I've been asked to do a video for MetaTrader 4 for individuals who may not know how to trade it or trade on it or know how to add their accounts to the broker or whatever the case may be. Um, as far as the withdrawal process or to deposit money, that's a whole nother video. If you guys want that video, definitely request that. But today we're just going to be going over how to use MetaTrader 4. So if you download MetaTrader 4 in your Apple Store, it should look like this. This is the one you would be looking for. So once you actually tap into MetaTrader 4, it should allow you to go to this back area here and it should say new account. So once you go to new account, you would click there and you should be able to go back here and whether your account is a demo account or a live account, you would either choose the top or the bottom. Sometimes even demo accounts are found in here just based off the broker. If you have like a funded challenge or something like that, you can still utilize demo accounts within here. So if you're trying to find your broker, I would just go to this one first, try to find it, the name of it. If it doesn't let you log in or if you don't find it, just try this one, and it usually most likely always works. So I would just try both for, if you're first finding out what the broker is and stuff like that. But once you guys do that, we'll move on to the cues. All right, so this is an important part to really understand, and it's very simple. There's simple and advanced. The advanced just kind of shows the spread. The spread is how the broker gets paid. So the spread is the it's the difference in between how much they get this pair for. Let's just say, for example, Euro USD, how much they get it for based off of how much they how much the exchange is for them to allow us to place a position. So the spread is very important. Watching the spread is very important to make sure that you're not getting into high spread trades because high spread trades puts you deep in the negative before you're able to for price has to really mature in order for your position to be in profit. So the thing about it is you want to be careful and always make sure you know the spread before you start hopping in trades and whatnot. But this part is very important due to it being able, you can edit what pairs you do and do not want on your watch list. So let's just say we deleted these, but let's just say we wanted to add some. So if you wanted to add some, you would just go here, you go to USD, JPY, let's see, let's add BTC, let's add Bitcoin. All right, so that's how you would go about adding pairs on MetaTrader 4. The chart is just a regular clean chart. I don't really chart up on MetaTrader 4 or anything like that. I look at the chart on it from time to time, but I mostly use TradingView for that, for the chart and the data on the chart and whatnot to trade, to be honest. When you click trade, this will show you your account, your balance, your equity, your margin, your free margin, your margin level. This is your account and it will let you know like what your balance is. This is where you will see all your trades populate and whatnot. So we're gonna go back to this history. This is where you will see, how you've been doing for the weeks, the days, the months, and you can go as far as customizing how you want to view your history. So you can go back as far as you would like. And then of course we already, talked about settings, which settings is a lot more to it than we went over. But I would feel free to advise you guys to just, navigate this area and kind of see, exactly what's back here. They have a journal basically telling you, when you log in, certain things that you do, to keep track if you want to see an analog of what you've done on your account, logging in, placing trades, closing trades, whatnot. You can use the journal. Charts is so you can edit how your chart looks and things that you want on your chart, and so on and so forth. These are just little tools back here that you can use. But I normally don't come back here for any of these tools or use them besides probably the journal. But if we go back to cues, I'm going to show you guys how to necessarily place trades on here. You could either start off by placing trades here, and there is a, to the top right, there is an arrow that allows you to place trades, or you can actually come to cues, hold that, click trade. All right, so here, this is BTC. It's the weekend, so we wouldn't be able to place in like a crazy position, but I just wanted to place in a position to kind of show you guys exactly how you would take the position, whether it's, execution, buy stop, sell stop. A buy stop is when price is under the level you want to get in, and price will activate you once it actually goes up. A sell stop is price is above the area you want to get in, and price has to come down in order to activate you. And buy limit and sell limit, vice versa. So I have information on my chat on how to use those and what they mean. But just wanted to kind of place a trade with you guys to kind of show you guys, once you're actually placing, you know, a position and whatnot, how to like either take partials or do stuff like that. Hopefully BTC lets me get in. I don't, oh, it is Saturday though. It should let me get in. All right, it let me get in. All right, so the thing about it is that when we come to this area and we see that price is attempting to, price has us floating currently, we would want to come here. This is where you would want to come and take partials. So this is where you would edit the position and take partials. We can't take partials off of this trade specifically because the trade we opened is not enough to take partials on. But let's just say we did a 2, we did a 0.2, we would put 1, and it would allow us to close our position out at this area. So remember, if you come here and use this check icon, that would allow you to take partials and close trades. If you come here, this would allow you to edit the stop loss and take profit. All right. And if you came here, this will also allow you to trade again or add another position if you needed to, or if you saw price doing something that you wanted to possibly get in again. And this allows you to see the chart. So the thing about it is, it's very important to learn and play with this a little bit, because it is user friendly. Once you kind of get used to it, it definitely is very easy to navigate and mess with. But that's all I kind of wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, always be careful of the spread and read the spread before you start placing trades. It's very important for your position and the capital in your account. It's all about them, making money. Spread pays the broker. So as far as even, some people getting commission accounts and whatnot, a commission accounts allows you to have very low or no minimum spread because they're already taking money off of the trade itself. So if we look at this trade, you can see that the charges they charge us was $7.07, I'm sorry, to get in this trade. And the spread obviously down here was 5,400, which, the spread runs differently on BTC versus any like other regular currency pairs. But if you guys have any questions, comments, definitely feel free to reach out in the Discord or reach out in the comments below, and I can make a part 2 to this video on how to trade MetaTrader 4 and how to use it. Once again, this is Hugo. Peace out.